Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or copyright violators. And this is news. I can't do live on this thing, so I have to upload this. The iPad completely stopped working on Saturday, and T-Mobile cut off my internet service because they didn't get paid, and I thought they were supposed to. But the home button is broken, and I cannot use the iPad. So unless I do a video somewhere where I can use the internet, people were in here but they left. Uh, you'll see no live videos till I buy a new iPad next month on the 1st. And if anybody wants to donate to help, it's falky2013 at gmail.com for PayPal, or George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553, because it's going to cost me $249 at Amazon to buy a 9.7 brand new, no problems, warranty iPad. I don't know what I'm going to do about Apple Care, but I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. All right, that's it. No live videos and not a lot of videos because I tried using this at Pete's. It wouldn't work. It doesn't work at Starbucks. It does work at Creek Monkey, or it did the last time, but I'm in to fix that Mac, and they told me I can use their service. So this thing is acting screwy. All right, talk to you later. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, cool as the case may be, and hopefully you know the problems that I'm having with no internet at home. I'm going stir crazy. Bye bye for now.